Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. I wanted to take a moment to demonstrate how to enable biometric login for digital work. First, a system administrator will need to enable biometric for the user. This can be accomplished by logging into the desktop application and selecting the Enable Biometrics checkbox on the user screen. Next, the user must have previously logged in to the Digital Work app on the device. Before signing in again, the user will need to navigate to Settings from the sign-in screen and toggle on Internal Authentication and Enable Biometric Login. Once those settings are toggled on, tap Close to return to the sign-in screen. You will see that the biometric login is now available. To complete the setup, the user will need to enter their password. Then tap, in this example, Face ID. Biometric login is now enabled, and the next time the user logs in to digital work on this device, they can tap the biometric button to bypass entering their password. Keep in mind the biometric login is unique to the device operating system, and as of this recording, biometric login is not supported for single sign-on. Give this video a thumbs up and check back soon for more EAM content. Thank you.